How to change cell heights and width in Google Sheets. So in this video tutorial we're going to learn about. So let's start with the video, and at the end, if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and don't forget comments below. So let me start with the video. Okay guys, so here we are. This is Excel sheet, and let me show you how you can increase and decrease the width and height of particular cell, and also I will show you how you can make it to column also. So just select the cell, and here under the at the number you can see there is a 1 2 3 number. You need to just keep the cursor between the numbers and make sure this is double line visible. Now just click and hold it and just drag down. The cell size will be height will be increased. If you want to increase the width, then come to the column. Between the column, just make sure this line visible and just drag it, then it will be increased. Okay. Now if you want to make it if you want to adjust the size or increase the size of multiple cell or column at one time, then we can do it. Select this cell like this. Okay, you have to select the numbers of the cell. Okay, and just hit and drag. Okay, you have to just click the mouse button, click and hold it, and select the cell like this. Now just right click on it, go to the resize row, and here you can increase the size of this row. This all, the multiple cell size has been increases. This is height. If you want to increase the width, then you need to just select the column, like click the A and drag and select the columns. Same, go to the resize and increase the size width of cell. Okay, so that is how we can increase or change the width and height of particular cell in Google Sheet. I hope you like this video. Please subscribe me. Thank you for watching.